DataFrame interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of commonly asked DataFrame interview questions with clear answers. It covers click, DataFrame fundamentals, data manipulation and filtering, indexing and selection, aggregation and grouping, joins and transformations, performance optimization, advanced analytics concepts. Pandas data frames are one of the most important data structures in modern data analysis, machine learning, and backend data processing systems. 1 to 20. DataFrame Basics. 1. What is a data frame? A data frame is a tabular data structure with rows and columns. 2. Which libraries use data frames? C. Pandas, PySpark, R. 3. Why data frames are useful? Keywords: structured data handling, easy filtering, analytics support, fast transformations. 4. What is Pandas? Python library for data analysis. 5. How import Pandas? Import Pandas as PD. 6. Create DataFrame example. df equals PD DataFrame def. Name John Alice. Age 30 25. 7. What is column in DataFrame? Named data field. 8. What is row in DataFrame? Single record. 9. What is index in DataFrame? Row identifier. 10. Default index type. Integer index starting from 0. 11. View first rows, df.head. 12. View last rows, df.tail. 13. Get DataFrame shape, df.shape. 14. What does shape return? Number of rows and columns. 15. Get column names, df.columns. 16. Get data types, df.types. 17. What is series in Pandas? Single column DataFrame-like structure. 18. DataFrame versus series. DataFrame means multiple columns. Series means single column. 19. What is missing value? No empty data. 20. Missing value representation. NaN. 21 to 40. Selection and filtering. 21. Select column example, df name. 22. Select multiple columns, df.name, age. 23. What is loc? Label-based selection. 24. Example, loc, df.loc 0. 25. What is iloc? Position-based selection. 26. Example, iloc, df iloc 0. 27. Filter rows example, df age greater than 25. 28. What is Boolean indexing? Filtering using conditions. 29. Sort data frame example, df.sort values age. 30. Ascending versus descending sort, ascending equals false. 31. What is query? SQL-like filtering method. 32. Example query, df.query, age equals 25. 33. What is isIn? Checks multiple values. 34. Example isIn, df name, isIn. 35. What is duplicated? Detects duplicate rows. 36. Remove duplicates, df.drop duplicates. 37. Rename column example, df.rename columns etc. years. 38. Drop column example, df.drop age axis 1. 39. What is apply? Applies function to rows, columns. 40. Example apply, df age apply lambda x plus 1. 41 to 60. Data cleaning and transformation. 41. What is data cleaning? Fixing incomplete, incorrect data. 42. Check null values, df.isNull. 43. Count null values, df.isNull.sum. 44. Remove null values, df.dropNa. 45. Fill null values, df.fillNa 0. 46. What is type conversion? Changing data types. 47. Example asType, df age asType int. 48. What is string operation support? Vectorized text operations. 49. Example string operation, dfname.str.upper. 50. What is datetime conversion? Converting text into dates. 51. Example datetime conversion, PD to do date time, DF date. 52. What is map? Maps values using dictionary function. 53. What is replace? Replaces values. 54. Example replace. df.replace, old, new. 55. What is pivot table? Summarized reshaped table. 56. What is melt process? Converts wide format to long format. 57. What is explode? Expands list-like values into rows. 58. What is concat? Combines data frames vertically, horizontally. 59. Example concat. pd.concat df1 df2. 60. What is merge? Joins data frames together. 61 to 80. Aggregation and advanced operations. 61. What is group by? Groups rows for aggregation. 62. Example group B. df.groupb department.sum. 63. Common aggregation functions. Check sum, mean, count, max, min. 64. What is aggregation? Calculating summarized results. 65. What is transform? Returns transformed grouped values. 66. What is value counts? Counts unique values. 67. Example value counts. dfname.valueCounts. 68. What is rolling window? Moving calculations across rows. 69. Example rolling mean. dfi sales.rolling3.mean. 70. What is cumulative sum? Running total. 71. Example cumulative sum. dfsales.cumsum. 72. What is correlation? Relationship between variables. 73. Example correlation. df.core. 74. What is indexing optimization? Faster row access using indexes. 75. What is multi-index data frame? Multiple hierarchical indexes. 76. What is vectorization? Batch operations without loops. 77. Why vectorization is faster? Uses optimized low-level operations. 78. What is memory optimization? Reducing data frame memory usage. 79. What is chunk processing? Processing large data in parts. 80. What is parallel data frame processing? Distributed computations on data. 81 to 100. Performance and real-world concepts. 81. What is PySpark data frame? Distributed data frame for big data. 82. Pandas versus PySpark. Pandas means local memory. PySpark means distributed systems. 83. What is lazy evaluation? Delayed execution until needed. 84. What is eagerly evaluation? Immediate execution. 85. Extract, transform, load process. 86. Data frame use cases, case, analytics, reporting, ML preprocessing, and financial analysis. 87. What is CSV loading? pd.read_csv, data.csv. 88. Export CSV example. df.toCSV, output.csv. 89. What is Excel integration? Reading, writing Excel files. 90. What is Parquet format? Optimized columnar storage format. 91. What is data frame indexing best practice? Meaningful indexes. Avoid unnecessary resets. 92. What causes slow data frame performance? Loops, repeated copies, large object types. 93. Why avoid loops in Pandas? Vectorized operations are faster. 94. What is setting with copy warning? Warning about unsafe chained assignments. 95. What is LOC best practice? Safer, explicit assignments. 96. What is memory profiling? Measuring memory usage. 97. What is scalable data processing? Efficiently handling large data sets. 98. What is data frame serialization? Saving, loading data frame efficiently. 99. What is production data pipeline? Automated real-world data workflow. 100. How to master data frames. Check. Practice Pandas deeply. Understand vectorization, learn joins and aggregations, optimize memory usage, work with real datasets. Final summary. DataFrame interviews focus on filtering and selection, cleaning and transformations, grouping and aggregation, joins and indexing, performance optimization and analytics. Key idea. Strong developers and data engineers understand both DataFrame operations and scalable data processing concepts deeply.